Hey everybody, welcome back. 1030 S Bill, me Scott. We're out here in the shelter and we got the poly brush put on there last episode, a little short episode. Now we're going to start laying the fabric on. I'm going to save a little fabric and use two half pieces here on the bottom. I'm going to cut it about 2 inches back and get a good 2-inch overlap right here at the edge, wood's edge. So it's going to give me like a double thickness. So I won't have to put reinforcement tape on. These are pencil drawn pencils. I got work good on this fabric, a lot better than a regular one. Guess what? Today was a pretty good day. It wasn't beautiful per se, but it was a pretty good day. It actually, here on the East Coast, Southeast Virginia, is rainy and cold all day long. I wish I was down south with you guys. How is this? Mark a line on here. Got a little bit left. I'm gonna need more than this. Probably got a tablespoon left. Very chilly in here tonight, 40 something degrees. Low 40s going down. All right, about all I can get out of there. Like I said, maybe a tablespoon. We got this new cord here, and I think that'll take me the rest of the way home. But this evening, and I don't know if I'll get it all on camera or not, but I'm gonna get this piece on and this piece on. Maybe the front piece. I think it's gonna take about that much. And you'll probably use full strength, not too bad. I'm gonna put just a little bit of MEK in there though. Gives a little bit of workability, and I'm gonna have this gonna be sitting around for the next half hour, hour. Hope you had a good day today. I know not every day is a good one, but sure helps when you're trying to make them great. You know what I mean? It takes a little effort. It takes a little help. You know where to find your help. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna slip that right up there. Right on that line. So later on I get a chance, I'm gonna put this piece right over top of it, trim these sides down, and glue them to the sides. And then we'll flip this baby on the side and do the side. But until we meet again, I hope you have a great evening. I hope tomorrow turns out to be one that gives you health and prosperity. And I'm gonna pray to God He gives that to each and every one of you. And if that's not going your way, you know which way to look, right? Look up, that's where our Savior's coming from. All right, we'll see you again soon. And next thing you know, it'll be Christmas, and hope all your dreams and wishes come true. See you later.